Hey, what's going on my friends? Miller Bread here and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online if you're a teenager. And before we go into the video, on this channel, we're going to be talking about mostly how to make money online. And we're going to be discussing marketing, motivation, and mindset because these are the three things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. And if you're interested in this type of videos, I invite you to click in the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's go into the video. So, how to make money online if you're a teenager, and what I will recommend you to do is to be an Amazon affiliate. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's selling other people's product. In this case, product from Amazon, right? So there's a tons of product that you can promote in Amazon, and there's a types of niches that you can get into. Like if you want to be talking about how to make money online or digital products, games, technologies like tech, right? If you want to be a tech reviewer, so there's a tons of ways for you to make money with Amazon. And the best way or the fastest way for you to make money with Amazon is that you create a YouTube channel. It's free, right? And that way you can create an audience for a specific niche, or there's a specific audience that you want to talk about. So let's say if you want to talk about gadgets, right? So you can find gadgets in Amazon and you can do a little bit of research, because the best part about product review is that people are also already in a buying mode. Like they're already ready to buy the gadget, but they're just wanting a review. Like they want a logical justification of buying that product, right? So the fastest way for you to do that is to be a tech reviewer, right? Or product review. So that's how I would recommend you to start. So it's free to join. Just search this affiliate program Amazon, then create a product. Create an account, right? So once you created your account, then you can start promoting products there. Amazon will give you a link that when people click to that link with your YouTube videos, right, then they will be redirected to Amazon, and then when they buy it, those purchases will earn a small commission, like 5 to 10%. And that's how people start making money with YouTube. And actually, there's a lot of ways for you to make money on YouTube, but that is the fastest way for you to make money if you're just a teenager. Like if you want to have a side project, like if you want to have nothing else to do after school, or if you want to make money after school, this is the best part that you can do it. And the best part is you don't have to really purchase the products yourself. A lot of tech YouTubers out there, they just they started with what they have, right? And then they slowly, gradually, review other products. Or there's a lot of people out there that's just using trailer videos, and then you just put an audio input on top of the video. And that's the fastest way for you to have, let's say, product review or launches or tech reviews and everything. And there's a lot of things you can sell online. Not just gadgets. You can sell relationship books or ebooks, right? There's a lot of products out there that you can promote. If you're not into gadgets, like there's tons of in product in Amazon, right? So that will be my recommendation for you. If you're a teenager, if you want to learn how to make money online, I suggest you start with being an Amazon affiliate. Start a YouTube channel and then just create videos and product reviews, and then put your affiliate link on that product review, and that's how you're gonna make money. Right, so I hope you get value from this video. If you do, comment on the video down below and let me know what you think, guys. If you have any more questions, or if you want to learn how to put this together, just let me know, so that I'll be making another video on that. So just let me know. All right, so this is it for today, and Miller Bread here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.